Tired of Google Play Protect blocking apps you want to install? In this video, I'll show you how to safely turn off Play Protect on Android and stop annoying app restrictions in just a few simple steps. Perfect for trusted apps that Google mistakenly blocks during installation. First of all, open the Google Play Store app page. Once the Play Store opens, tap your profile picture icon located in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu. From the menu options, select Play Protect to open the security settings page. Next, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Play Protect screen. Here you will find the option called Scan Apps with Play Protect. Turn off the toggle switch beside it to disable automatic app scanning and protection features. After disabling the option, a warning message will appear explaining the possible security risks of turning off Play Protect. Carefully read the message, then tap Turn Off to confirm your choice. Depending on your device settings, you may also need to enter your phone PIN, password, fingerprint, or face unlock to authorize the change. Once completed, Google Play Protect will stop scanning and blocking apps on your Android device. Always download apps from trusted sources to keep your phone secure and avoid harmful software. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart Android tricks and tech tutorials.